Hola friends, and happy new year. Woohoo! It is officially 2018. Peace out 2017. So glad to be over with last year. I had some really great highs. I also had some really deep lows. Just the last couple years have been a struggle. But I am ready for 2018. I am ready to start fresh, to really be focused, to be productive, to give everything my all, and just be better, do better, feel better. And I hope that whatever you are looking for in the new year comes your way. Speak it into existence, claim it, it's yours, you got this. I'm so excited about my first video of the year because it's a collab with two of my best friends in the entire world, Jessie, also known as Jessie Retro here on YouTube, as well as Amanda Marie, my name twin. I love them both so much. We thought it would be super fun to style each other and buy each other's outfits. So I bought an outfit for Amanda, and I'm gonna link her video below and up here somewhere. And then Amanda bought an outfit for Jessie. Jessie bought an outfit for me. So it's like this little triangle of fashion. I have Jessie's clothes here. Not for her personal clothes, like she went out to Rue 21 and bought me this box of goodies. I have no idea what's in here, and I'm honestly a little bit nervous, but more so excited. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know what she got me, and I don't know what to expect. Jessie's style is very retro, pin-up-y, edgy, cool girl, and I don't know, like, did she buy clothes that are like that for me? Did she buy something that's more so within my style box, or did she completely take me out of my comfort zone? I don't know, but we are gonna finally find out. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute, what is this? Jessie. Are these socks? What is this? Okay, this is definitely different. Oh wow. Okay then. She got me some shoes. These are very pretty. They're like that metallic silver, and they're flats. I love flats. Jessie knows I'm a flat kind of girl. What is this? I don't know what this is, but it feels amazing. And that color though, this is so fun. It's a blouse with the keyhole on the neckline, see-through. These are jeans or jeggings, high-rise jegging. Okay, Jessie, this is definitely not what I expected. I don't know what to do with myself right now. I'm gonna try all this on, and we will see what it looks like on my body. Here we go. Are you guys ready for this? This is totally not what I expected. I cannot believe that I'm wearing this right now. I can't believe she picked this out for me. Wow. Whew. All right. So let's start with the layers here. This is that blouse. It is see-through, so I just put on a black bra underneath it. Super cute. There isn't very much stretch in here. It's a size 3X, but it is that woven material, so there isn't that much stretch, but it still fits, just not loosely. Here are the jeggings, and they are super comfortable. These are in a size 28. Super shocked that they're in a 28. I thought Rue 21 only went up to a 24 and a 3X, so this is a pleasant surprise. Normally I'm a 26 in jeans, but I'm glad that she went up to the 28 just to make sure that they could go a little bit higher on my waist. Good looking out, friend. I really appreciate that. And they're not too long. Normally that's a struggle for me because I'm short. They hit just at the ankle. This rose mauve toned duster is amazing. I am feeling it. I am feeling myself right now. It is so good. This is a one size. Here's what it looks like with the sleeves rolled down. You know me, normally I just ruche everything up, but here's what they look like rolled down. I feel kind of glamorous in this. I like it. I like the sheen to it. Ooh, this is good. This is really nice. Here's a closer look at the shoes. Silver toned flats. and fishnet socks. Like, what? I would never wear fishnet anything. So it's really cool to experiment with this and do it in such a subtle way that's not intimidating. I'm still trying to process this outfit. It's really good. Jessie, you did great here. I love the color of this duster. This duster is definitely my favorite piece of the bunch. I like the shoes. The fishnet stockings are very cool. The jeans fit well. This duster is making me feel some type of way, a good way. It's making me feel kind of powerful and like in charge of who I am. Like I could go into any business meeting right now and get shit done. I'm feeling really good. I love that fashion can do that for you. Fashion is such a game changer. It can help you love yourself and help you feel more confident and be assertive. And that's how I'm feeling right now with this duster. So thank you, friend. I love you and I love this so much. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this outfit. How do you feel about it? Please let me know in the comments below. Would you wear the duster or the fishnet stockings? I mean socks, or the shoes? What was your favorite piece? I can't wait to talk to you guys down in the comments. And please be sure to check out Amanda's video. I bought something for her that's just a little bit out of her comfort zone. Normally, Amanda has like this very classic, bubbly, fun style personality. And so I wanted to give her something that's just a little extra, a little va-va boom, but still has that classic element to it. I will have her video linked here in the video and also in the description box below. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and Happy New Year. Until next time, love yourself and stay fashionable. Bye.